If you own a classic car from 1970s like Volvo 140 series, Volvo 240 series, Jaguar Triumph or any European classic, you might have a non-adjustable Zenith Stromberg Carburetor. These were built in 1970s to meet strict emission laws. They have a pressed-in jet and a fixed needle, which makes them difficult to tune without special dealer tools. Most people believe these carburetors cannot be adjusted. Not exactly. In this video, I will show you how to tune these carburetors manually. This guide is for everyone, regardless of your experience level. Patrick's Garage. Before you touch the needle securing screw, you might test the current fuel mixture while the engine is at operating temperature. Lift the piston. Use your finger or any tool to lift the piston exactly 1 millimeter. Observe the engine. RPM increases, then drops to normal. The mixture is correct. The RPM stays high. The mixture is too rich. Engine stumbles or stops, the mixture is too lean. To change the mixture on a fixed jet carburetor, you must manually change the position of the needle inside the piston. Measure first. Take the piston out of the carburetor, but use a filler gauge to measure how far the needle extends from the piston. And it's before you make any changes. This is your baseline measurement. Then loosen this small screw that holds the needle in place. And then adjust the position. To make the mixture leaner, pull the needle out of the piston. This moves the needle closer to the main jet, which reduces space for the fuel to flow. And to make the mixture richer, push the needle deeper into the piston. This moves the needle further away from the main jet, which increases the space for fuel to flow. And then tighten this securing screw and put the piston back into the carburetor. Be precise, make small changes, measure the distance with your filler gauge every time so you don't move the needle too much. And check for leaks before tuning. Ensure you do not have vacuum leaks such as damaged gaskets, worn throttle shafts. You cannot tune a carburetor if there is a vacuum leak. Maintenance: if the needle and jet are physically worn, they must be replaced. This tuning method only works if the components are in good condition. Tuning a fixed jet Stromberg takes time, but it is the best way to get your classic car running smoothly without buying an adjustable main jet or a special dealer's tools kit. And leave a comment below with your car model. if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.